What's up? Hey guys, it's Ivan. In this video, I want to show you how to use emojis in your social media, like YouTube posts or Facebook ads, stuff like that, so that it looks something like this. For example, in your YouTube descriptions, I'm going to use Cody's channel as an example. He's really good at this. Or Facebook ads. You must have seen a bunch of ads with different emojis, things that look like this, right? It draws a lot of attention, really cool thing to do. So the way you do it is pretty simple. You go on this website, emojipedia.org/people. I'll put the link down below, not an affiliate link, and you can type in whatever you want to. So what I like to do is if it's a pressing, like a limited edition ad or something like that, I could add a little timer. And then once you select what you want, so let's say you go back to smileys and you want, find this face with tears, you just copy it. And if we go to my YouTube page, if we post it here and we click save, let me just quickly show you what that looks like on my latest video. And it's got a little emoji there, okay? Now I'm gonna delete that. But if you go to a Facebook ad, for instance, the headline says learn to play piano for free. If we put a little emoji there, if the right one shows up, you should see the emoji right there, okay? So something pretty cool, something you can play around with and add, fun little thing to add and be creative with that draws a lot of attention. These emojis, they do help, so use them to your advantage. That is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.